This is the 10 amp 12 volt power supply. These are available on eBay. They're listed as LED power supplies. They're only $10 shipped from a US vendor, so you don't have to buy anything expensive. They're kind of nice. Up here we have our module mounted, as you can see, and just above that is the pilot light assembly. Now this lamp, you can take this and put this up there so you can see, or you can just hang it anywhere. We've on some of the ones with damaged meters, we've just mounted them to the meter back and taken out the meter itself and just put an aluminum plate up there with a hole in it, so we have a visual indicator, some colored plastic behind the plate, and you know, you have a nice indicator to show when the machine is on. This brown board, that's the capacitor assembly. That has to be removed, and what you do is you take all the capacitors off that. It'll be one solid block. Just cut the wires so they don't really connect anymore. There's a rod that slides up and down. You don't need that anymore. All you need is this contact point on these two standoffs, and that supplies power to the LED. You can see the green wire going to it. The other aluminum can, that's your tachometer. That's totally independent. Up here is the only connector you keep from the old power supply arrangement. This connects the points to the tachometer contacts to the meter assembly. Up here there's the old power switch, and what we use that for is the dual flash, so that just connects into the module. It's fairly simple wiring. Just take it slow, ask any questions, make sure you don't hook the power supply up backwards. It's clearly listed on the side, V+, V-, line, and neutral. Make sure you're grounded. That's about it for the installation. This is your ground wire. It goes up to the distributor. The distributor always has to have a ground wire attached to it. And here's the old points. So that's what it looks like when it's completed.